Berger, the longest-serving Ferrari driver in the history of the Italian team, and for Karl Wendlinger, who rejoins the Red Bull Sauber Ford team after driving for them earlier on this year. For them, the Austrian national anthem.
a fantastic feeling. Now I really can feel more than happy. I mean, happy is certainly not the word for my feelings at the moment, because the team really earned this championship, because they have been last year and this year the really best team in the paddock, and now we fulfilled our promises to go for the Drivers' and the Constructors' Championship. By the way, now we equal as well Nigel Mansell's record, and now we go in Australia for a new one.
Start was really good. Didn't have any problems in the start. Didn't lost any places. Unfortunately, I didn't gain anything either, but I kept my place. And I was able to keep my speed basically with Michael and with Sean. And also Hill, who was behind me, wasn't able to overtake me. It was good. I was able to all the time keep this distance similar.
The conditions were obviously going to change, so it was trying to be in the right position at the right time, and we seemed to have some good pit stops as well, which obviously helped a lot. And you know, the result was very good, and especially for Benetton, who've done a fantastic job along with Renault and Mold 7. It's been you know, a good year, and it's good being part of that and actually putting a few points on the board for them.